Hello everybody, welcome to my channel. In this video, we'll be doing a quick unboxing of a watch that I just received from AliExpress. So let's get right on. Okay, I don't think this is what we call an unboxing because there is no box. And yep, the watch is, I don't know how to read this, is SKMEI SKMEI, I don't know, you just tell me how to read it. And yes, I think you managed to get a sneak peek of it. It's a full metal G-Shock. I wouldn't say a ripoff, but an homage maybe, because it has the name of SKMEI. Alright, I'm gonna unwrap the plastic and we see what we get. Alright, this is the watch. As I mentioned earlier, it's an homage to the Full Metal G-Shock, but for a fraction of the price. I got this from AliExpress for, I think, slightly over 10 US dollars. Yes, it's really crazy. And from the heft of the watch, yeah, I think it's quite substantial in terms of weight. And I wouldn't really say that the finishing is bad, but yeah, for $10, what more could I ask for, right? But I have a feeling that the bracelet might be hollow here because the bracelet feels very light compared to the body of the watch. And yeah, we have SKMEI, and I think it's slightly engraved. Oh no, it's just printed and water resist. Yep, the brushing is okay. And one thing I noticed off the bat is that I don't think I can wear this watch, because if you look at the first link, it's sort of like stuck in a very odd angle. And I would say that the effective lug to lug distance is super long, and I don't think I can really wear the watch. But anyhow, let's go into the watch and see what we have here. Yes, it's printed that there's a countdown timer, there's dual time, and water resistance is only 3 bars. So it's 30 meters. It's not 200 meters. It's not 20 bars as you get on a regular G-Shock. Alright, let's start with the bottom left corner. I think this one is to switch between the mode. You get one alarm. There's a stopwatch. Let's see. How do I start? Okay, this is where I start the stopwatch. Stop it. Yep, it's a reset. And yeah, this is the dual time. So basically you can track a second time zone with this watch. And there is a timer. And back to the timekeeping mode. Okay, so this will be the light. Let me see if I could show you the light, because it's quite bright here. But I will try to. Okay, it's it's yellow or orange LED light, so it's nothing spectacular. But in actual fact, I'm not expecting like a full EL backlight here, but for the price, yeah, it's good. Okay, so I guess I have to hold the bottom right corner long enough for me to adjust the time. Let me see how it goes. Okay, this is to adjust, this is to switch between the minutes, the year, the month, the date. Okay, so it's just cycling between. Yep. So let's see if it's, I don't think it's auto calendar because I have to adjust the day. Yep. So yeah, it's back to regular timekeeping. So the button arrangement is slightly different than the original G-Shock, but yeah, all in all, I think it's pretty good. Let's try to remove here. Okay, so it's just a pressed metal clasp, and yeah, to be honest, it feels a little flimsy, and in fact I would say it feels cheap. But for $10, what more can I ask for? And yes, I think I can confirm that the bracelet is made of hollow links. Yeah, let me just try to figure out how to open this one. Okay, I managed to peel off the wrappers or whatever stickers that you call it on one end of the one side of the bracelet. And I just noticed that the finishing between the watch case and the bracelet, it's very contrasting. The case is high polish all the way, but the bracelet is heavily brushed. It's a satin finish bracelet, and I'm not sure if you can see it from this lighting, but it feels, I don't know, it feels odd because the brushing on the bezel doesn't match the brushing on the bracelet. The polishing, it's a bit of a contrast to the bracelet, and this one seems to have a yellowish tint, and this one is a bright white or bright silver polish. It sort of like reminds me of an anodized aluminum, but I'm guessing it's stainless steel but just folded links. Oh, so that is why the first link is fixed, I think. I'm not too sure if I can remove out the bracelet and put it on. Let's see, even like a different strap here. It seems to be permanently screwed in. Yeah, I could be mistaken. And this is the case bag. It's SKMEI. Yeah, I call it a SKMEI. Just normal screw. Is it a screw down? No. Seems to me like it's a snap-in case bag. And what do we have here? We don't have any reference number or so. Just the SKMEI. And we have a manual. SKMEI 13 digits operation version 2. Okay, it's a very simple instruction. Right, Chinese and English. Yeah, it's good that they have instruction in English. I guess that's it for this video. If you're new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It does help me a lot, and you can also follow me on my Instagram at gfw_watch for more watch pictures. And I might be doing a full review of this, I might not, so I'm not sure, but anyhow, just stay tuned, and yep, I'll catch you all in the next video. Bye bye.